This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get a Citi virtual card. In today's digital age, security when shopping online is more important than ever, and a virtual card can add an extra layer of protection to your transactions. Let's dive into the steps to obtain your very own Citi virtual card. To get started, you'll first need to open the Citi app on your smartphone. Once you have it open, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your app store and set up your account beforehand. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Services section. You can find this right on the home screen of the app. This section is where you'll access a variety of features related to your account, including the option to get a virtual card. Next, tap on Card Services. Now, this will lead you to a menu where you can manage various aspects of your credit card, from changing your PIN to setting up alerts. For our purpose today, we're focusing on generating a virtual card. After you're in the Card Services section, look for the option that says Virtual Account Number. Tap on it to begin the process of setting up your virtual card. This feature is designed to provide you with a unique card number specifically for online transactions, enhancing your security by keeping your actual card number private. If you have multiple credit cards linked to your Citi account, you'll be prompted to choose which card you'd like to use for your virtual number. Select the card that you prefer and then tap Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to set the details for your virtual card. This includes specifying an expiration date and a spending limit. Setting a spending limit is a useful feature, especially if you're concerned about overspending or if you want to restrict the card's use for a specific purchase. Once you've set your preferences, tap Generate Number. The app will instantly create your virtual card details. These details are ready for you to use immediately, making your online shopping experiences both secure and convenient. And there you have it. That's how to get a Citi virtual card. It's a straightforward process that significantly enhances your online shopping security. Thanks for following along and happy shopping.